Pair. Join us as we delve into the concept of a pair and its various implications in our daily lives. Picture two objects that complement each other, forming a harmonious duo. When we talk about a pair, we're referring to two items that go together seamlessly. This could signify a partnership, a connection, or a bond between two individuals. Pair might also refer to identical items, like a set of shoes or gloves, designed to be worn together. She found the perfect pair of earrings to match her necklace for the party. The chef recommends pairing the steak with a robust red wine for the best dining experience. To sum up, a pair represents two items that complement each other, form a connection, or are identical in nature. That encapsulates the essence of pair in various contexts, from relationships to fashion and beyond.